Hi guys, welcome to another video. We hope that everyone out there is staying safe during this crazy virus pandemic. But today we had some time and I got my leather door pulls from Jass Performance and we're gonna install them today. If you want to see how I reupholstered my door panel, go look at the previous video. The link to these will be down in the description below because there are a couple different options for these doors. So we'll link it. So when they come from Jass, they're pre-assembled. What you have to do is take this leather strip and wiggle it out gently. Just be careful not to rip. And then you'll take something inside this little crevice to pry up. It's a little hard, but okay, I'm gonna break that tweaker. Is this what you use though?
Yeah.
Well, Brandon's gonna have to show you because he's the one who did it the first time, so
Sorry.
watch what he does.
Yeah. So basically all I did was I took the tweaker, right? Or a little miniature screwdriver. Frickin' Hondas. Rough day at Taco Bell today, I guess. Take the tweaker, right? You wanna keep it so that the tweaker's sitting around right in this area. You're just gonna pry up a little bit. You should see it's starting to pop up right there, right? Mm-hmm. There we go. That's all you gotta do.
Sweet. Thank you, sir.
Yep. So as you can see, very simple design. You know, it's got a hole inside. This cap right here just has a little gasket. That's what keeps it nice and tight and snug. That's it. That's all you gotta do. And obviously you can orient this exactly how you want it. We're gonna show you here in just a second because Cynthia wants to change it up a little bit.
Okay, here we go. 10 hours later.
Please don't stab yourself.
I work with box cutters every day. I think I'll be fine.
As she cuts herself.
There we go. Cool. Cool beans. If you guys are using your old door panels, it'll be a little bit easier to see where you're gonna screw in the door pull. But since I reupholstered it and went over that hole, I'm gonna have to use my razor to put a little nick in the fabric and then screw in the screw for the door pull. We're gonna do screw and then the plastic spacer in the back. And we'll go into the holy moly. So at this point, it's twisting my fabric. So I think I need to make the hole a little bit bigger because I don't want it to damage it. Oopsies. About 5 seconds after Brandon told me, be careful, don't cut yourself, I cut myself. So be careful with knives, people. And now I'm gonna try it again. Oh yeah, we're not going anywhere. So I wanna make sure it's straight. Does that look straight?
I don't know, I have the camera.
Okay, that looks straight. Oh yeah, that worked. Sweet!
It still needs to go on further.
Is it on?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Yeah, it's on now.
Sweet, look at that.
That looks very nice.
We did it, guys, and we didn't have to do crap. Except cut a little hole and then cut our finger.
It's just a flesh wound.
It's just a flesh wound. Okay, let's test it. Look at that! All right, guys, the driver's side is done as well, and I love the way they look. It's so nice to have them finally because I've been pulling from the door handle here. Yeah, let's do some final shots. That's done, we have some stickers that we made, and if you want to purchase one, you can DM us on Instagram and we'll get one to you. But for now, I'm gonna put mine right here. This will be my little sticker corner, and I think it'll look pretty good. Bam! Yeah, it is some things. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Behind me there's a little surprise, but we can't show you yet. We have it coming up in an announcement video and maybe a video or two, we'll see. And we get to show you more of Brandon's car here in the near future. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there with this Wuhan. Bye guys. Okay, never mind. So this is what comes in the kit from Jass. It's 2 door pulls and 2
Shit, I was recording. I was trying to get it on the first try. Babe.
Do I have to say that?
You don't have to say that. We can put it at the end.
Okay. Neighbors? No?
Go.